Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change lock screen passcode on the iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. First things first, you have to enter your current lock screen passcode. So I'll just go ahead and enter mine. And to change your lock screen passcode for your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, you want to head over to the settings. Now scroll down until you find the passcode and Face ID option over here. Go ahead and tap on that. At this point, you have to enter your current lock screen passcode. So I'll also enter mine. And once it opens up, you want to scroll all the way down and you're going to find the change passcode option over here. Go ahead and tap on that as well. Then proceed to enter your current lock screen passcode one more time, just like so. Now enter a new lock screen passcode for your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. I'll go ahead and enter this one over here. If it says your passcode is too easy to guess, you can actually just click on the use anyway option to use that same passcode anyways, or you can actually just change it by clicking on the change passcode option over here. I'll just go ahead and use this passcode anyways, and then now you have to confirm that particular passcode. So enter it again. That is your new passcode this time around, and automatically everything has been changed. You want to give it a couple of seconds over here. Also, at this point, you can choose to expire your previous passcode. What this does is to completely forget about your previous passcode so that it cannot be used to reset your device. If you want that, you can tap on the expire previous passcode, but if you don't want it, that is basically all you have to do. So at this point, if you lock your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max and then try to open up your phone using your lock screen passcode now, if I enter my new passcode, you can see now that it opens up my iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Please make sure you smash that like button if this video was helpful, guys.